In the heart of tropical forests and open woodlands, a remarkable group of birds fills the skies with color and song. Parrots, nature's brilliant aviators, are among the most intelligent and charismatic creatures on Earth. With over 400 species spread across the world, parrots inhabit diverse ecosystems, from the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the dry savannas of Australia. These birds have evolved to thrive in some of nature's most challenging environments. What makes parrots truly fascinating is their intelligence. Known for their remarkable ability to mimic human speech, parrots possess cognitive skills comparable to those of young children. Studies reveal their problem-solving capabilities and deep social bonds, making them one of the most advanced avian species. Armed with powerful beaks and dexterous feet, parrots are expert foragers. Their diet consists of fruits, seeds, and nectar, playing a vital role in their ecosystems by dispersing seeds and pollinating plants. Yet, despite their resilience, many parrot species face critical threats. Habitat destruction, illegal pet trade, and climate change endanger their populations. Conservation efforts worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. Parrots are more than just nature's feathered jewels. They are intelligent, vital members of our ecosystems. By protecting them, we preserve the beauty and balance of our world.